Welcome to this enabling a conducive environment for e-commerce. Establish which of these technologies is suitable for you and ensure that you are in a position to be able to take advantage of these technologies for your business. Are you ready for the digital age? This illustration is a great tool to assist you in identifying exactly where you are in the digital age. It will assist you to identify both your strengths and your weaknesses and enable you to identify what capabilities do you need to be ready for the e-commerce world. Ensure that you conduct this exercise to establish where your strengths are and where your weaknesses are, so that you can start identifying these weaknesses in your business plan and can budget for the development of that particular segment of your strategy. This illustration that can be part of your overall ongoing strategy so that you can not only compare this with yourself in terms of your capability, but also against the competition and their capability. Digital transformation is a journey that cannot happen overnight. You need to identify the particular needs as well as the technologies and capabilities that you need. For example, the resource and infrastructure, as well as the business angle of customers and markets. However, a great example is defined in this particular illustration, where you start with the consultation of both the business and the consumers. You then develop solutions which will address your particular market, and then you obtain funding to deliver on your final platform. You will then need to implement and validate and test whether these requirements fulfill the customer's needs. This is a great roadmap that you may wish to obtain further information on. Click on the resources below that will provide you with further information and assistance on how to create your roadmap for digital transformation. Conclusions for Module 2. Even with the support of IT, a business is a business. So explore what you need to do to convert your business into an electronic business. This is a process called digital transformation that you need to be aware of. This will enable you to identify the gaps and the opportunities in your infrastructure. You should integrate human roles in IT platforms or tools, because the requirement of humans will make this more possible and more fruitful for your business. There are many platforms and technologies you need to know, as they may be of use in your e-commerce business process. You also need to be familiar with the emerging technologies that are coming online that will allow you to stay competitive in the marketplace. Extend your knowledge. Find in the following slides more resources, images, and diagrams which may help you in extending and completing your knowledge about the contents on this module. You can use them as complement of the key resources that have already been provided. Being aware of the emerging technologies will allow you to stay ahead of the competition, as well as provide you with additional features for your customers. End of Module 2. Thank you for watching this module.